Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a quick and easy way to mention or tag someone right inside your Google Sheets, whether it's a teammate, your manager, or a collaborator, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to mention anyone in Google Sheets using a couple of super simple techniques. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tag people so they get notified directly, helping you speed up your workflow and making collaboration a breeze. Alright, let's dive right in. The first method is the fastest and most direct. All you have to do is type the @ symbol, which is the @ sign, directly into a cell or when you're adding a comment. Now, just as a quick refresher, you can type that by holding down Shift and pressing the number 2 on your keyboard, so Shift+2. Give that a try. As soon as you do it, you'll notice that Google Sheets will pop up a little menu where email addresses and suggestions for your contacts show up. That's Google Sheets anticipating that you may want to mention someone. Let's break down why this is handy. When you type add and select someone from the list, Google Sheets will link that person's email directly to the comment or cell. This means the person you've tagged will see a notification, kind of like how tagging works on social media, but with a professional twist for spreadsheets. Super useful if you want to draw someone's attention to a specific data point or ask them a question right where it matters. Now, maybe you're already writing a comment or you prefer doing things using your mouse. Here's another way to mention someone. This one's just as easy and sometimes even more intuitive if you like working visually. Start by right-clicking the cell where you want to mention someone. From the menu that appears, select Comment. A pop-up comment box will appear right beside your cell. Inside that box, once again, type the @ symbol, remember, Shift+2. Instantly, the same list of suggestions will show up, and you can pick whoever you need to mention. This method is perfect if you're providing feedback, asking a question, or assigning a task to a teammate. They'll get an email notification and a direct link to the exact spot in your spreadsheet where you left the comment, so there's no confusion about where to look. This is especially useful for bigger sheets where you don't want important updates to get lost in the shuffle. Just a quick tip here, don't worry if you're not seeing the person's email right away in the pop-up list. Sometimes it helps to start typing their name or email address, and Google Sheets will filter the suggestions for you. It's really user-friendly once you get the hang of it. And that's all there is to it. With these two simple methods, you can mention anyone in your Google Sheets and make teamwork that much smoother. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you want to share your own Google Sheets tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.